Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about what is C Sharp. C Ash, pronounced C Sharp, is a modern object oriented and type safe programming language developed by Microsoft. It is primarily used to build applications on the .NET platform, including web application via ASP.NET, desktop apps, Windows Forms, WPF, mobile apps with Xamarin and Mayo, games using Unity, and cloud services via Azure. Key features of C Sharp. The first one is object oriented programming. So, everything is an object, supports inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation. And the second one is type safe, helps catch errors at compile time. And third one is automatic memory management, uses garbage collection. And the fourth one is modern syntax, clean, readable, similar to Java or C++. And the last one is multi-paradigm, supports imperative, declarative, functional and event-driven programming. Now we'll go with history and development of C Sharp. In the year 1999 2000, C Sharp was developed by Anders Hillsberg, also known for creating Turbo, Pascal, and working on Delphi at Microsoft. In the year 2000, C Sharp is publicly announced at Microsoft Professional Developers Conference alongside the original .NET framework. In the year 2002, the first version of C Sharp 1.0 released with .NET Framework 1.0. In the year 2005 to 2024, C Sharp has seen multiple major update version 2.0 to 12 introducing generics, LinkU, async await, records, patterns, matching and more. Latest version in the year 2024-2025, C Sharp 12 included in .NET 8 adds features like primary constructor for classes, default lambda parameters, and more concise code snippets, code options. Why C Sharp was created? Microsoft developed C Sharp to provide a modern alternative to C++ and Java, serve as the primary language for .NET development, compete with Java in enterprise and web development, offer better integration with Windows and micro technologies. So friends, this is all about C Sharp. So if you like my video, please subscribe and add your comment. Whatever you comment, I'll make a video on that. Thank you.